Jazzy Joe. This song we learn about broken chord and also holding on your tight note, where jazz song usually start off beat, which is not start on the first beat, always start after the beat. That's where the tight note being used. C 5-finger position. Ready, set, go. C, 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 skip, go down. D, C, 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 skip, hold, go down. D, 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 skip, hold, go down. D, E, D, C. Later, when we play with recording, you're gonna repeat. We continue, start from C, skipping C.